And today Colton and I have for you this preschool card set. That's right, this is a full set of sight words, and this is going to include 56 animals, 31 daily necessities, 25 vehicles, 21 foods, 18 fruits, 17 vegetables, 16 costumes, 10 nature cards, 9 color cards, 8 person cards, 8 job cards, and 5 shapes. Very, very cool. And what this is this is a shaped like a popular character, and it is a card reader. So your little one can actually take the cards and slide the card in and confirm their answer, whether they're right or wrong as to what's on the card. And another cool part about this is it does not require batteries. It has a built-in battery, so it's rechargeable. So you never have to swap batteries out. Colty, you want to give it a try?
Yeah.
All right, here you go. Hold it.
Okay.
Let's get some cards out. Here's some of the cards right here. You can see you get a big and nice stack of a bunch of different cards.
There were clouds.
Just on the tops you have like, what's this one? What's that?
A cloud with a sun.
All right, so whenever you insert it in the machine, has a little scan code on the bottom. The scan code goes inside, and we're just going to slide it in.
Can I do it?
Wait, did you turn it on?
Hello.
Nice to meet you. All right, let's play now. Go ahead. Slide it in there. Cloud, you're right. Let's try what's on the other side. What's that? What is that?
Cool. Rainbow.
Let's see if you're right. You got to put this side in.
Oh, yeah.
Rainbow.
You were right. So with these cards, here, some more if you want to try some more. See if you can guess what these are. But with the cards, they all have pictures on them, and they have the actual word. So your little one can associate the picture with the word and learn these words
Starfish.
and learn their letters. And they're also going to learn what these different animals.
Starfish.
You're right. It was a starfish. Very good. What's that one?
Ocean.
Close.
Sea.
It's the sea. You were right. Ocean and the sea. Oh, what's this one? Let's see. All right, slide it in. You'll get the hang of it.
Moon.
It is the moon. So this is a great educational toy for early education to help get your little one ready for kindergarten. This is on the preschool level. And as you can see, like we have skirts,
Crocodile.
mask, sneakers. You go into your fruits where you have bananas and onions and red peppers. You have a wash basin, a washing machine. Just tons and tons of words. That's gonna,
Crocodile.
let's see.
Crocodile.
It is a crocodile. But overall, it's a great educational toy. What do you think, Colty? Do you like this?
Yeah.
Colty says it's cool. We hope this video helps.
And thanks for watching.
And thanks for watching.